Okay, this is the P3 paper from June 2022. It's question number 1. And as we can see by looking at it, this is a differentiation question. We're going to be using the chain rule, and after that we're going to be doing some work to find the equation of a normal. Okay, quite quick question. Let's get started with it. Part A says we've got y equals 3x minus 2 to the power of 6. Can we find dy by dx? So by the time that we've got to doing past papers, we should be able to do the chain rule without necessarily writing out u and dy by du, du by dx. So I'm just going to do it straight ahead. If I'm looking at this, I treat it as though it's something to the power of 6, and I differentiate that, which gives me 6 lots of something to the power of 5. Multiply by the power, take 1 off the power, multiplied by the differential of what's in there, and the differential of what's in there is 3. Tidying that up, that tidies up to 18 3x minus 2 all to the power of 5. Nothing else to do with that one. That's part A finished. dy by dx is equal to 18 3x minus 2 all to the power of 5. Part B says, given that we know the point P, a third 1, lies on C, can we find the equation of the normal? Okay, so if we're finding the equation of the normal is a straight line, and so we use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. This is for the point x1, y1, where the gradient is equal to m. We've got x1 and y1, they're given in the question, a third and 1, but we need m, and m, remember, is going to be the gradient of the normal, not the gradient of the tangent. So, explaining that to the examiner, I'm going to say for m, because we've got the other ones, dy by dx was equal to 18 lots of 3x minus 2, so that's going to be 18 lots of 3 times a third minus 2 all to the power of 5, which gives us 18 times 1 minus 2 to the power, just stick it all into the calculator. It works out to be equal to minus 18. So if that's dy by dx, then m is going to be equal to minus 1 over that, because it's a normal, not a tangent. So that means m is equal to 1 over 18. And then all I'm going to do is say, right, okay, for my y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, let's state everything that we've got. So we've got x1, y1 and m. I always do this just because it makes it clear to the examiner where I'm getting all my values from, and also I'm less likely to make a mistake as I'm going through and doing it. So x1 is a third, y1 is 1, and m is 1 over 18. So if I stick those things in, I'm going to get y minus 1 equals 1 over 18 x minus a third here. They wanted it in the format ax plus by plus c equals 0. So remind myself of that if I'm going to be doing that then. Multiply everything by 18. I get 18y minus 18 equals x minus a third. Do they need to be integers? Yeah, they're all integers. So actually, I now need to multiply this out by 3 to get rid of the a third there. So I'm going to get 54y minus 54 is equal to 3x minus 1. So I've multiplied everything by 3 there. And then tidying this up, final answer, 3x minus 54y plus 53 equals 0. Underline that. That's in the correct format of ax plus by plus c equals 0, where they're all integers. So worth 4 marks. Let's make sure we don't lose one of those by not just checking the way that they want it set out. Okay, hopefully that will make sense.